The upper reaches of the steppe are on the same latitude as Paris. But in winter, it's one of the most bitter and hostile places on the planet. The cold wind blowing from Russia regularly brings temperatures 40 degrees below zero. And they often bring with them snowstorms. Prehistoric shapes emerge from the whiteout. Przewalski horses. These are the last true wild horses on Earth. They are hardy animals, but this herd is fighting a losing battle against the blizzard. They need to find cover, and quickly. Knowing where to go takes great wisdom and experience. The eldest female is the leader of the herd. She's taking them down a trail she knows could save them. Relief at last. She's guided them to a narrow valley where they are sheltered from the wind. But even down here, it's bitterly cold. The horse's thick coat can only insulate them to a degree. So they must have another way to conserve energy. They huddle together, maximizing their barrier against the biting cold, and wait for the storm to pass. For Przewalski horses, it takes teamwork and tenacity to survive in these inhospitable lands. The next day, several hundred tons of snow now cover the herd's territory. Their only food now lies buried beneath 60 centimeters of snow. Pushing through thick drift is hard work, and the horses are getting weaker. Their only reward is a mouthful of withered grass. This male seems to have given up. But the magpies won't let him rest. Although it looks as if they're provoking him, they are in fact picking off his parasites. For the magpies, the horses are like walking larders. While this is good for the horses, it's causing some irritation. Przewalski's horses live in small family groups that consist of a stallion, a few mares, and their foals. The young are almost weaned, but they still go to mum for comfort. This stallion always stays at the back of the herd to keep an eye on his mares. He knows there are other stallions nearby. His stance signals that he's not to be messed with. But in looking for food, the mares have wandered into a neighboring herd. Another male. Recognizable by his battle-worn, stumpy tail, he is the mightiest stallion in the valley. He barges in, trying his luck. But our stallion doesn't need to worry. A clear slap of the tail signals that the mares have no interest in jumping ship, yet. Message received, at least for now. Stallions have a few more months to fight over the females before they are ready to mate.